To ensure proper trace saving on an OLTS, this tutorial will guide you through customizing the storage settings for measurements and selecting the default file save location. Follow these steps. From the main window, tap User Preferences. Select the General tab. Select whether you want the application to notify you when you have a result that is not stored to the list and you are about to discard it. Select whether you want the measurements to be stored automatically in the list regardless of the results, or only when the results have a status of pass. Note that, if the measurement was not automatically stored, and you want to keep it, you will have to store it manually by tapping Store in the Link View or Details tabs of the main window. If desired, change the default location where the new files are saved. Tap OK to confirm your choice, or Cancel to exit the window without changing anything. Once your test results are stored, you will need to save them in the tester. Storing results only add them to the list of tests that were performed, but does not save them in a file. To save your stored results, simply go to Files, then Save As, which will allow you to select the Save folder and choose a file name for the saved results. You will then be able to copy this file on a USB memory stick and view later on your computer in Fast Reporter 3.